What if I told you that most cancer patients don't get the full benefits from the cancer treatments given to them by their oncologist? Unfortunately, most oncologists don't give the patients a real and scientifically accurate answer. Some oncologists even say, eat whatever you want. Doesn't really matter. Welcome to Lee Unplugged, real insights from the cutting edge. This is a stripped-down, no-fluff conversation where I take you behind the scenes as a scientist to break down what's real versus what's hype when it comes to your health. It's raw, unscripted, no sugarcoating, just real talk and real science. And today, we're diving into foods you should eat if you've been diagnosed with cancer. Now, why this matters, what the science says, and what you can do about it. That's what we're going to get into today. Are you ready? Let's go for it. First, let's talk about generally foods and cancer. There is a laundry list of foods that can increase the risk of developing cancer, and these include some disturbingly common foods like processed meat. Processed meat is actually classified as a Class 1 carcinogen by the World Health Organization. Examples: sausages, hot dogs, deli meat, salami, ham, bacon, corned beef, comfort foods that can increase your risk when consumed over time. Here's another cancer risk: grilled meats. It's not about the meat itself, it's about the grilling process that coats the meat with carcinogens like polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons. I'm going to abbreviate it as PAHs. High grilling temperatures also convert amino acids into heterocyclic amines, HCAs, another carcinogen concentrated on char and grates, so clean your grill grates. That black char holds PAHs and HCAs and can transfer to your next cook. Number 1, clean that grill. Wipe down the grates before and after use. Number 2, don't stand over the grill. Avoid inhaling the smoke that carries PAHs and HCAs. Number 3, marinate meats, fish and vegetables with tropical fruit juices and spices. Pineapple, citrus, turmeric. Antioxidants reduce carcinogen formation. Number 4, don't eat grilled foods too often. Enjoy them occasionally. Now let's shift into what to eat if you've been diagnosed with cancer. Foods that can help your treatments work better and activate your body's defenses. I will lay out 5 health defenses and the foods that activate them. But first, remember, food is not a substitute for medical therapy. It's a tool to augment treatment. Most doctors, including oncologists, haven't been trained to look at these health defenses. In medical school, I had 1 week of nutrition across 4 years. So you can't entirely blame your doctor. The system is only slowly changing. There are 5 health defenses that food can activate. First, angiogenesis, the process tumors use to grow blood vessels. Food can cut off the blood supply to tumors. Second, regeneration. Your body's repair system must rebuild tissue after treatment. Food can support healthy regeneration. Third, gut microbiome, 39 trillion bacteria that modulate immunity and inflammation. Fourth, DNA repair and protection. Food can support mechanisms that fix or remove mutated DNA. Fifth, immune system and inflammation. Anti-inflammatory and immune-boosting foods help your body fight cancer. Each of these defenses can be activated by food. Let's dive into each with specific foods and the science. Cancers grow blood vessels to feed themselves. In our lab, we found the moment blood vessels touch a tumor, growth can accelerate dramatically. So what you want is anti-angiogenic foods that help cut off that supply. Soy contains compounds that inhibit new vessel growth. Tomatoes, lycopene-rich and anti-angiogenic. Green tea, powerful catechins that block vessel growth. Coffee, yes, your morning joe can have anti-angiogenic effects. Oily fish and omega-3s reduce vessel-promoting inflammation. Berries, anthocyanins and polyphenols that help starve tumors. Brassica vegetables, broccoli, cauliflower, kale, packed with anti-angiogenic compounds. Incorporate these items daily. Berries with breakfast, green tea midday, tomatoes and fish at dinner. Tip: diversity and consistency matter. Pair foods with your medical treatment to tip the odds. Cancer stem cells are baby cancer cells that can survive treatment and regenerate the tumor. The usual reason cancers return. Good news: certain foods selectively target and kill cancer stem cells. Purple potatoes, anthocyanins in them can kill colon cancer stem cells. Green tea, Epigallocatechin gallate, EGCG, shown to reduce stem cell activity. Coffee, compounds that may inhibit stem cell-driven recurrence. Tree nuts, especially walnuts, healthy fats and polyphenols linked to better outcomes. This is not a cure, but an adjunct. Talk with your oncologist about dietary goals. Do not replace medical therapy. Practical habit: 2 handfuls of nuts weekly, daily green tea. Swap one starchy side for purple potato once or twice a week. We'll return to the clinical evidence shortly. The gut microbiome lowers inflammation and boosts immunity, crucial for cancer response, especially immunotherapy. A French study found non-responders to immunotherapy lacked a key bacteria, Akkermansia mucinifera. Foods that grow Akkermansia include pomegranate, cranberries, polyphenol-rich and beneficial. Mango and chili peppers can also help stimulate Akkermansia growth. And even traditional items like Chinese black vinegar and fermented foods support the right bacteria. Want to know if you have Akkermansia? Order a gut microbiome test, swab, mail, and get results back in weeks. If you lack helpful bacteria, you can adjust diet to grow them, or share results with your oncologist. Feed your gut with prebiotic fiber, lentils, chickpeas, raspberries, mushrooms, avocado, to produce short-chain fatty acids that lower inflammation. Add probiotic foods like full-fat yogurt, kimchi, and sauerkraut to support diversity. Cancer is mutated DNA piled into tumors. Supporting DNA repair and protection mechanisms reduces progression risk. Certain foods provide nutrients and polyphenols that enhance DNA repair processes. Cruciferous and leafy greens supply compounds that support detox and DNA protection. Berries, polyphenols that scavenge free radicals and support DNA stability. Nuts and seeds provide micronutrients needed for DNA repair enzymes. Immune boosting, broccoli sprouts powerfully stimulate immune cells. Blueberries, small but potent immune support. Chili peppers stimulate immune function when eaten in moderation. Focus on anti-inflammatory foods, turmeric, olive oil, fatty fish, to dampen inflammation. Rule: food augments medicine, avoid harmful exposures, and personalize your plan. If you're on chemo, aim to support immunity. Discuss vaccination, supplements, and diet with your team. A study of 826 stage 3 colon cancer patients found 2 servings of tree nuts weekly gave a 57% improvement in survival. Nuts provide healthy fats, fiber for the gut, and polyphenols that support multiple defenses. Another study linked a healthy gut bacteria, Akkermansia mucinifera, with better immunotherapy response. Step 1. Personalize. Order a gut microbiome test and review results with your oncologist where possible. Step 2. Daily foundation. Colorful fruits, brassica vegetables, legumes, and a weekly 2-portion nut habit. Step 3. Targeted items. Green tea, coffee, broccoli sprouts, and foods that support akkermansia like pomegranate and cranberries. Step 4. Reduce exposures. Processed meats and frequent heavily charred grilled foods. Step 5. Sustain and track. Keep a food journal and repeat gut testing to confirm progress. Everyone is different. Diabetes, celiac, autoimmune conditions require tailored approaches. Consider a dietitian if overwhelmed. If you'd like deeper guidance, my Eat to Beat Disease course and book go into personalized protocols. Summary. Food is a powerful tool to augment treatment. Activate the 5 defenses, start small and personalize. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, please like, comment and subscribe for more healthy videos.
I'm just telling you to fight for your dreams, but it's not what it seems. Man, it's hard to be seen.